Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Finance Zone. There are so many credit cards available to consumers that it can be hard to choose the best card. There's no one-size-fits-all credit card, but instead options for different types of people. Whether you're a foodie, road warrior, traveler, or someone looking to build credit, a little research can help you find a card that's specifically designed for your lifestyle. The cards we selected also provide numerous additional benefits, such as annual statement credits, discount at select retailers, insurance, and more that make using a credit card truly worthwhile. Point to not under normal circumstances, this list would be ordered by overall star rating, but that would result in featuring hotel and travel cards near the top of our list. We still think those cards may be the best long-term fit for people and have kept them on our list. Today, we're going to talk about the 6 best credit cards 2020. Make sure you stay until number 1, as you don't want to miss any of the information stacked up for you. Number 6, Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card. Who's this for? The Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card offers the best rewards rate on select hotel purchases. Earn 5 times miles on hotel and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, which is a great flat rate. Plus, earn 2 times the miles per dollar on every other purchase. While Venture does come with a $95 annual fee, it's low compared to some of the other rewards cards with some annual fees up to $550. In addition to rewards, every 4 years, cardholders receive a credit for a global entry or TSA PreCheck application, up to $100. If you travel often, this is a great perk that can save you time and money. This card has no foreign transaction fees and comes with a bunch of additional travel perks such as travel accident insurance, 24-hour travel assistance services, and an auto rental collision damage waiver. Number 5, Citi Double Cash Card. Double Cash makes up for it with an ongoing earning rate that's nearly twice the market average. It's a good card for people who plan to use it for years. You need an excellent credit score to get approved for the Citi Double Cash credit card. This means that applicants need a credit score of 750 or higher for good approval odds. It earns you cash back not once, but twice. To redeem your Citi Double Cash rewards, you will need to log into your account by visiting Citi.com. Once you log in, you'll see your cashback balance off to the right. Then you click Redeem. It has an annual fee of $0 and offers 2 rounds of cashback rewards on purchases. 1% cashback when you buy, and another 1% when you pay Citi back. That's why it's an excellent option for anyone with good credit score, whether it's for everyday use or to pair with other credit cards. It doesn't offer bonuses, however, it makes up for it with an ongoing rate which is nearly twice the market average. It also helps new applicants to save on existing credit card debt, offering an intro APR of 0% for 18 months on balance transfers. Citi Double doesn't require clients to pay annual dues in return for elevated earnings. Cash holders may earn back cash earnings for a check, statement credit, gift card, and direct deposits to a Citi savings or checking account. You need an excellent credit score to get approved for the Citi Double Cash Card 18-month offer. That means applicants need a credit score of 750 or higher for good approval odds. But Double Cash makes up for it with an ongoing earning rate that's nearly twice the market average, assuming you pay your bill in full every month. So it's an especially good card for people who plan to use it for years. Citi Double Cash is more than just a rewards card, though. Number 4, Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. It's a popular travel rewards card, and for good reasons, like its sign-up bonuses for 60,000 points worth $750 in travel rewards after you spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. So long as you're using the card frequently to get more than $95 in value for rewards earned and benefits utilized, the card is worth the annual cost. It offers bonus rewards for travel and dining with options for redeeming points at an outsized value. The delivery for this card is usually between 7 to 10 business days after you've been approved. You can earn 2 times points on traveling and dining at restaurants from airfare and hotels to fine dining and cafes. Plus, you earn 1 point per dollar on other purchases spent. You get 25% more value when you redeem for airfare, hotels, car rentals, and cruises through Chase Ultimate Demands. This card is designed to work for travelers both frequent and non-frequent. It's not an expensive card, but it's good for beginners since it earns ultimate reward points. This card goes a long way if you're looking to get maximum value. It comes with 2 basic but popular bonus categories. You will earn 2 points per dollar on both travel and dining. The way those categories are defined is one area where the card offers a lot of flexibility. You'll also get 2 points when paying for passenger trains, including most commuter trains, buses, taxis, limos, ferries, toll bridges, and highway parking lots and garages, even Uber. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is considered one of the best beginner travel credit cards, and with good reason. For a low $95 annual fee, you're getting 2 times on travel and dining, an excellent sign-up bonus, and valuable travel benefits like primary rental car insurance. It's the perfect choice for someone looking to dip their toes into the world of points and miles. Number 3, the Alliant Cashback Visa Signature Card. One of the best cashback cards, even with its $99 annual fee, waived the first year, this card earns the average American the most cash back compared to the other cards, with an estimated $553 after the first year and $2,370 after 5 years. Cardholders earn an industry-leading 2.5% cash back on all purchases, up to $250 in cashback rewards per billing cycle. Beyond rewards, this card has a competitive 12.24% to 22.24% variable APR, which is helpful if you wind up carrying a balance, though we always recommend paying on time and in full to avoid interest altogether. This card also has no foreign transaction fees and comes with travel benefits, such as travel accident coverage, roadside assistance, and auto rental collision damage waiver. You have to become a member of Alliant Credit Union and open an account. The easiest way to become a member is by supporting Alliant's partner charity, Foster Care to Success. You don't need to pay the charity directly. Alliant pays $5 on your behalf when you apply to join the credit union. Membership is also open to family members of current members, employees of partner organizations, or those who live or work in qualifying towns and communities near Chicago's O'Hare International Airport. For high spenders who want a simple flat-rate cashback rewards program, the Alliant Cashback Visa Signature Credit Card is hard to beat. When you pay for your trip with your Alliant Signature Card, you'll have $250,000 of free travel accident insurance. Yet for some consumers, the Alliant Signature Card falls a bit short of perfection. It's designed for high spenders with excellent credit. If you don't fit into both of those categories, you might have a hard time getting approved for a new account. Number 2, American Express Gold Card. If you love food and travel, the American Express Gold Card could be the ideal rewards card for you. Whether you dine out or cook at home, this card earns a competitive 4 times points per dollar spent at restaurants worldwide and 4 times the points at U.S. supermarkets, on up to $25,000 per year in purchases, then 1 time. Plus, travelers can benefit from the 3 times points on flights booked directly with airlines or on AmexTravel.com. The value of membership rewards points varies depending on how cardholders redeem them. You can use them in a variety of ways, from paying with points at checkout at sites like Amazon, to redeeming for gift cards or a statement credit, to booking travel. See more on how points are calculated. Cardholders also receive an annual dining credit of up to $120, $10 a month, at participating partners including Grubhub, Seamless, The Cheesecake Factory, Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, Boxed, and participating Shake Shack locations. Travelers can take advantage of an annual airline fee credit of up to $100 to cover the cost of in-flight food and beverages, seat upgrades, and baggage fees. There are also no foreign transaction fees. This card does have a $250 annual fee, but it can easily be offset if you take advantage of all the added card benefits. Just using the $120 dining credit and $100 airline fee credit each year effectively reduces the fee to $30. Then, the rewards you earn help further pay for the card. Gold Card members can also participate in Amex offers where you earn statement credits or bonus membership rewards points at select retailers. For example, a recent offer for Wine.com states, spend $50 or more, get $10 back. These limited-time offers are location-based and additional terms apply. The American Express Gold Card offers solid value for most travelers. The earnings rate of 4 membership reward points per dollar at restaurants and U.S. supermarkets is among the highest in the industry. Membership rewards are flexible and easy to redeem. The $250 annual fee can be mostly offset with dining and airline credits, provided you use them. Number 1, the Capital One Quicksilver Credit Card. Finally, this is our best overall credit card and best for cash back because of its combination of low fees, low interest, and high rewards earning rate. With no annual fee, you don't need to worry about making sure you're extracting maximum value from the card every year to make it worth it. The absence of a foreign transaction fee makes this rare cashback credit card worth bringing on a trip abroad once travel is no longer a public health concern, and helps to make a compelling case that if you're only going to carry one card, that this should be it. In a nutshell, the Capital One Quicksilver credit card is a solid choice for people who either don't spend a lot in any one budget category or prefer one rewards rate instead of multiple rates, depending on the purchase. It's also a good option if you're looking for a long-term introductory 0% APR promotion on purchases. The card's lack of an annual fee is also appealing for people who are generally fee-averse and don't want to worry about earning enough rewards to justify a yearly cost. Just be sure to take time to compare it with other no annual fee cards to ensure you pick the right one for you. Finally, given its absence of a foreign transaction fee, think about getting the card if you want a cashback credit card to use abroad. The fees of up to 3% charged by other cards may not seem like a lot, but it can add up to a surprisingly high figure over the course of an international trip. Thanks for watching! While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!